Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a deep dive into Muyang Flat Animation, an innovative open-source framework that transforms text ideas and Chinese voiceovers into elegant paper and fountain pen line art animations accented with soft-colored pencils. Built for educational channels and visual storytelling, this tool automates a disciplined 3-gate approval workflow to deliver studio-quality motion graphics using Gemini AI. Let's see how it works.
Taking a look at the official repository, Muyang Flat Animation is designed specifically for producing clear knowledge explainer video assets. The core process follows 3 distinct gates. First, confirming visual composition, movement, and sound design. Second, generating and reviewing key still frames. And third, invoking Gemini to produce the final animated video. The repository supports custom canvas ratios, layered motion rules, and synced sound effects.
What makes this system unique is its strict motion grammar. Fixed camera perspectives keep character identities and page layouts rock solid. Movements are constructed in layers, primary actions, microgestures like breathing or blinking, and staggered icon reveals. Connecting arrows have strictly defined start and end points without messy visual artifacts, and sound effects remain light and synchronized without annoying pencil scratch noises.
Let's look at check_setup.py inside the scripts directory. This initialization script guarantees that your system meets all runtime dependencies before dispatching expensive API jobs. It verifies Python 3.10+, fetches the Gemini_API_ key from environment settings on Windows or Unix systems, checks for FFmpeg and fprobe executables, and confirms that the required Google Gemini library package is up to date. Next up is generate_video.py, the primary engine driving interaction with Google's Gemini Omni Flash model. It processes batch jobs from a JSON configuration file, manages file uploads via the Gemini Files API, and handles multi-threaded rendering. The script includes automated input validation for video durations between 3 and 10 seconds, normalizes asset URIs, and provides robust error handling for API rate limits and system memory safety.
Quality assurance is integrated directly into the toolset. Using inspect_video.py, generated clips undergo comprehensive visual inspection against reference stills, producing contact sheets, probing stream metadata, and evaluating final frame consistency. Additionally, finalize_video.py handles post-processing by resizing, padding, cropping, and encoding audio for multi-platform distribution using FFmpeg. That wraps up our tour of Muyang Flat Animation. Whether you are producing explainer shorts, educational courses, or automated content pipelines, this framework offers unmatched control and visual flair for AI video generation. If you found this overview useful, give the repo a star on GitHub, drop a like on this video, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest open-source AI tools. Thanks for watching.